I'm Stuart from Turner Hastings, and I'm going to explain how to install our beautiful new Ludlow Purifier Tap along with the filter cartridge to go with it. It's a very simple process. First of all, we get the pin that fastens the tap down and install that in the base. And then we install the cold and the hot flexi hoses. Straight into the right holes there, making sure the hot is on the left, the cold is on the right centre. And the purifier one is in the back. It's a different size thread on the purifier one, so they can't be mixed up. That simply screws all the way in there. Once the three hoses are installed, the hot simply goes to the hot connection in the wall. The cold goes to the cold connection in the wall, and on the cold connection this screws to the thread that's coming out of the wall. This side here runs with a red hose, which is simply installed by 1/4 inch hose by push fit. Once it's in, it's done. The other end goes around to the cartridge with the pressure limiting valve. Make sure the pressure limiting valve is installed on the side of the cartridge like that. This simply connects into there. So now that's the water coming from the mains pressure through the cartridge. And then on the outlet side of the filter, you push the blue hose in there, and then we have a quick fit connector by a 3/8 male thread that connects onto this side of the purifier tap. Now on the purifier tap, that's now allowing the water to run from the mains pressure into the pressure limiting valve through the cartridge, and then the purified water into the purifier tap. Now how it works, on the hot side, on the left side you've got hot, so forward for hot water. On the cold side you've got just normal unfiltered cold water. And then on the purifier side, you simply push the lever back to bring out purified cold water. So purified cold water back, standard cold water forward. As simple as that. And that's it.